What's happening, guys, and welcome back to Finance Ninja. We know how money drives us all crazy, and we're all looking for easy ways to earn without putting in a lot of effort. Well, here are a few ways you can make $600 per day replying to posts on Reddit. Make money from Reddit 2022. Number 6. What is Reddit?
Where I'm going to show you in this video how you can make $500 with Reddit.
For those of you who don't know about Reddit, it's an online platform where people can interact with each other to give each other news in the form of links, text, videos, and even images. Reddit acts a lot like a search engine, particularly Google, but the main difference between Reddit and Google is that while Google's search engine queries show you the most relevant results, Reddit shows you the most popular and trending results. Reddit tends to allow users to vote on the answers, and the answers with the highest votes get a higher ranking. While Reddit can also be viewed as a social platform, you don't have to add people onto your account if you want to share something with them. When you share something on Reddit, you can share it with the entire Reddit community. People can then view your posts and vote for them if they like it, making them more popular and visible for other people. Number 5. Making money from Reddit. Imagine sitting at home and making a ton of money from the comfort of your couch and not having to put in a lot of effort while working. All you have to do is post links and get money right in your account. And with Reddit, you can do just that. To top it all, Reddit is an entirely free online social platform which gives users access to all of its features without asking them to pay for anything. So regardless of whether or not you have money with you beforehand, and regardless of where you live, you can easily make money from Reddit if you're willing to follow the methods we'll discuss in this video. With no investment and no special equipment required, we don't think making money can get easier than this. Number 4. Digistore24. First, let us take a look at how to make money with affiliate marketing and how to reach a ton of followers to boost your popularity on the platform. If you're just starting out and have very few followers, you can use Digistore24 to get thousands of followers within no time. But this isn't the only platform you can use. There are tons of other platforms that will allow you to gain followers within a short span of time, and you can then use these followers for boosting the popularity of your posts. Once you've made your account on Digistore24, you can view their most popular products, and if you're focused on making a ton of easy money, then make sure to select a product which has the highest earning sales value. This can be done by applying the earning/sales filter on the product page and choosing the product that appears on top. Once you have the product on your screen, you can copy the link to the product and go back to your Reddit account. All you have to do now is look up posts with keywords that are relevant to the product link that you have and paste your product link as an answer to those posts, and voila! All it takes is finding the right product and making the link accessible for people through Reddit. One thing to keep in mind though is that you shouldn't just reply to one post, but reply to multiple posts that you think are relevant to your product. Number 3. Kickbooster. Reddit is probably one of the most pleasant websites for users to visit. From building an interactive and friendly community to giving people out-of-the-box creative ideas and solutions to their problems, Reddit really stands out amongst multiple social news platforms. But this isn't the only reason why people prefer using Reddit. With Reddit, you can make a huge amount of money if you apply the right tactics. All you need is a working internet connection, a smart device, and the motivation to make some extra cash on the site, and you're good to go. With no investment, no payment, and no prior experience required, this method is just the thing you're looking for. Once you have your device with you, type in kickbooster.me in your search engine search bar, and you'll be directed to the website where you'll see that Kickbooster aims at providing software solutions for crowdfunding creators. Once you're on the home page, scroll down and select affiliates from the 4 options that are available. From there onwards, you'll be directed to the page for affiliate marketing, from where you can look up products and projects that can serve as your window to earning money from Reddit. All you have to do is sign up for free, find a product or project that you want to share, generate your unique link, share it with your community on Reddit, and that's it. You can start making money with just these 4 easy steps. Number 2. JVZoo. Just like Kickbooster and Digistore24, JVZoo is another platform you can visit if you plan on making money through affiliate marketing on Reddit. Once you've landed on the site, the first thing you need to do is log in or create an account if you don't have one already. Just like the previous options, all you have to do once you've created your account is to browse for the products. Unlike Kickbooster and Digistore24, JVZoo only deals with a limited number of products, thus making it easier for you to select the product that you want to promote. However, you can't just generate your unique link like you did with the other two platforms. With JVZoo, once you've figured out what product you'll be promoting, you'll then have to seek the approval of the person who's listed the program. Once you get the approval, you can then generate your unique URL and go over to Reddit. Here, you'll follow similar steps and find the right post where you can post your generated link to the relevant audiences. Once people view that link and make purchases with it, you will then get your commission through which you will make your money. Number 1. ClickBank.
This is the ClickBank Platinum Plaque, can you get that? For making over $1 million.
With over 330 million people using Reddit every day, the potential of earning money from Reddit is immense. Be it sending links, making a post, directly messaging people, or even commenting, you can make a ton of money through Reddit. Another site that you can use for generating your own affiliate link is ClickBank. One bonus tip that we can give you if you want to make money from Reddit is to sign up on each of these platforms and browse through them if you're looking for a way to make money online. Make sure you apply to multiple affiliate networks, and once you get accepted, start drawing similarities among those networks and see which products have the highest demand. However, right now we're looking at ClickBank. Once you've signed up on ClickBank, all you have to do now is browse to their e-commerce and marketing page, from where you will see a list of products that are available to you. All of these products can be promoted by you, and all you have to do is select the right one. After doing that, you can click on the promotion button, after which you will get a pop-up from where you can generate your own hop link. Once the hop link is generated, you'll have to copy this link, go back to the website, and browse for relevant posts. If you want to take things a step further, you can shorten your link to make it much more appealing for potential customers. Go to your browser and you can easily find a link shortening tool through which you can make your link more click-worthy. Just remember, you need to find the right target audience for your link, or else it could take you a while to make some money. First, understand the project you're promoting, and then find posts that fall under the category. Once you have done this, you can then move ahead with making money and flooding your bank account with a lot of moolah. Well guys, here's our take on how you can make $600 per day through Reddit by replying to posts and some other ways as well. Let us know in the comments if you're aware of other ways through which people can make money from Reddit. And with that in mind, make sure you like this video and subscribe.